The topic of today's video is how do I fix unsupported file types in GDrive. So do consider liking and subscribing, and let's get down to it. Alright, so the problem here is that upon opening anything, Google Drive will give you an error because the file type is not supported. Now, what you can do here is right click on whatever file it is you're trying to open, and then you want to click on Open With, or just hover over it. And then you'll see some more options pop up here, some suggested apps. However, if none of these are working for you, you can actually connect more apps to Google Drive. So clicking on connect more apps over here will take you to the store. Here in the Google Workspace Marketplace, you will see a ton of different add-ons that you can get, and you can easily get, if it's a video, for instance, video players and so forth. However, if you still have problems, you might want to download and convert the file to a supported file type. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.